Hey everyone, can I interest you in some tandoori shrimp? So the Uni Pro was all fired up because we're testing some vaguely Indian flavored dishes and recipes. And I had this shrimp and I thought, you know what? I really love tandoori shrimp. I love those flavors on shrimp. Maybe I could do them in the Uni. And you know what? You can. Here's how I made these. So this is a super simple preparation. I take 2 lemons and I juice them. Put that juice into a bowl. Then I add turmeric, chili powder, and salt. Pour in some mustard oil. And then squish in some garlic. Grate in some ginger. And then I give that a really good stir. Once I've got it stirred together, I put in the shrimp. Put a lid on it and set that aside in the fridge for about an hour. Once the hour was up, I put the shrimp onto metal skewers. If you're going to use wood skewers, make sure you soak them, but I wouldn't suggest using wood inside the Uni. The temperature's too high. By that point, the Uni was at about the right temperature, not quite as hot as it was for cooking naan or pizza or chicken tikka. A little bit lower, a little bit gentler heat, but still with that flame rolling over the top and the nice smoky flavors. I have a little rack that the skewers sit on top of. In went the shrimp. And I cook that until the shrimp were just starting to char a little bit at the edge. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe now and smash that notification bell so you find out about our new videos as soon as they come out. And that's it. Super simple, really easy. I had these a few times as street snacks along the coast of India. Really love these flavors. It's something quick, simple, sort of gets right to the point. All of the flavors are in this. I wish I had a little chaat masala to sprinkle on top. And then this would be great if you could put it into a gravy or another sauce or a sandwich, or, I mean, there's just so many ways that you could take this in another direction. And the Uni really does cook these very well. That flame, the smoke, the heat. Give these a try. I hope you like them.